Hey everyone, so this is the final configuration of my pfsense router. I got a new case for it, so I think this is called a Fractal Design 2300, which is a pretty good value case that is good enough for this kind of job. Motherboard's the same obviously, CPU is the low power Xeon, which I think has a maximum draw of 65 watts. I found out of the garage I got a Be Quiet 650 watt power supply, so that's more than adequate as well. And I also found a Be Quiet cooler, which I wasn't using either, so that's quite handy. Still the same 16 gig of RAM, and then there is two 120 gigabyte SSDs that are configured in a ZFS RAID mirror for the pfsense operating system to run off. That's all good. The only thing that I've added really actually is a second 10 dual port 10 gigabit Ethernet card, which you can see there in the middle. And that was because I took the cover off one of my Ethernet ports in my house and found that I have Cat6 cabling, which is good. So that means I can run 10 gigabit directly into my office, which is something I wasn't sure I was able to do. So I'm quite pleased about that, because that will massively increase the bandwidth between my office and the servers in the garage. So I'm hoping that will allow me to kind of consolidate some storage and stuff in the future. Haven't tested it yet, but I think I've configured it for my ISP. So that's the next job, is to plug it in, see if it works. And then I'll do a final video going through, hopefully, the successful software configuration. Or at least an update on how I struggled to get it to work. Could go either way. I've also got a switch with 10 gigabit ports for the garage, and I'll get one for the office eventually, but I just wanted to check that everything works before I kind of invest any more time and energy in this. But I've got pretty high hopes, so yeah, I'll update you in the next video.